Om Shanti. Today is Murli, 19th August 2021, Bap Dada Madhuban. Essence, sweet children, you are the true Raja Rishis and Raja Yogis, and you therefore definitely have to become pure in order to claim the kingdom. Question: what attention must you pay to make you worthy of the kingdom? Answer: if you pay full attention to the study, you can receive the kingdom. Listen carefully to what the Father says and imbibe it well. When the Father speaks to you and you children listen to him, you receive the kingdom if while listening to him you yawn or nod off, or if your intellect wanders, you lose the kingdom. Therefore, pay full attention to the study. Song: we have to follow this path where we may fall, and we therefore have to be cautious. Murli's important points. Today, Baba will explain to you children about Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga. You children know that whatever yoga people outside teach, it is Hatha Yoga because they are sannyasis and renunciates of karma. In fact, householders should not study Hatha Yoga or the renunciation of karma. You know, there are many types of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga and the path of devotion begin in the copper age at the same time. This is now Raja Yoga. Those people have been studying Hatha Yoga for birth after birth. You study Raja Yoga for just one birth. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is based on purity. The Father makes everyone pure here and has them make a promise. The memorial of that starts later. 6 wear a steel bracelet, and that is a sign of purity. Hindus wear a sash, which is also a sign of purity. The Father says, children, lust is the greatest enemy. Those Brahmin priests don't explain in this way. The Unlimited Father now says, children, promise you will remain pure and never indulge in vice. You call out to the Father to come and purify the impure. No one calls out to him in the golden and silver ages. Essence for Dharana. First point: don't perform any bad actions that would defame the name of the clan. Promise yourself that you will remain pure. Second point: don't waste your time or money. In order to go to the garden of flowers, remove the thorns. Blessing: may you be the cleverest and crowned one with the lesson of you first. Just as Bap Dada calls himself your obedient servant, and by calling himself your servant, he is automatically crowned. In the same way, you children have to be humble and give others an elevated seat. When you sit the other person on that seat, he will get off and make you sit on it. If you try to sit on it, he would not allow you to do so. Therefore, to sit others on it is to sit on it yourself. So, make the lesson of you first firm. Your sanskars will then easily harmonize with theirs and you will be crowned. This is the way to become the cleverest one. There is no effort in this and also greater attainment. Slogan: introverted, elevated souls who stay in solitude are the ones who experience an awake state. अच्छा, ओम शांति.